In this video, we will show you how to put in safe mode in Windows 11. To put in safe mode in Windows 11, we need to press the Shift button on our keyboard. Okay. Then we can press the restart button here. Hold the Shift on your keyboard. Okay. Don't release the Shift button on your keyboard. Then just click restart here. After that, wait until the safe mode or troubleshoot is appear. We will then can activate the safe mode in there. Just hold the shift button, don't release. Okay, make sure you not release the shift button in here until the troubleshoot is appear. Okay, just hold the shift button until the troubleshoot is appear. Don't release. Okay, don't release the button on your keyboard. Okay. Okay, now you can release the shift button on your keyboard. After that, we can select troubleshoot, and in here we can just using advanced options, and we can choose startup settings. Okay, now you can see we can enable safe mode in here. Just click restart. Okay, after you restart, we will have the option. Okay, we need to enter our BitLocker if we have one. Just enter the BitLocker recovery key. Okay, I will maybe pause this video. And after that, we can hit the enter to continue the process. Now, you can see we can enable or put in safe mode with pressing F4. Use number case or function case F1 until F9 in here. Just select F4. Okay. After you press the F4, we will put into the safe mode. It's very easy to put in safe mode using Windows 11 rather than previous Windows like Windows 7 or Windows 8 or Windows 10. Okay. Now, we successfully put on safe mode here. Just please wait. You can see. Now, we need to type our password. Okay. To type our password, we can just using our password here. You can see this is the safe mode. Okay, safe mode usually black screen like this, and the wallpaper have this. Okay, you can see there. Now you can do anything with the safe mode. And that's all tutorial how to put safe mode in Windows 11. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.